Hello everyone, I am Aruna from MOP Community Radio Station 107.8 from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. We are almost 7 years completed, but when we are starting, our main motto of start the community radio is to women empowerment. And we started the women empowerment programs especially for the self-help group and the nearby community to earn themselves, to increase the entrepreneurship among the women. So from 2008, we are airing one program called Kasumile Kasuvandu. Still now, more than 4,000 women are benefited and they have started their own business. And every year on the Pongal day, actually in Tamil Nadu, Pongal is a very big festival where people will celebrate. And we, all the women who are all benefited out of the community radio station, we will gather in one place and we'll have a big, massive Pongal celebration where it started with 250 women, and now July 19th we celebrated this function not only as Samatwa Pongal celebration, we celebrated this as an awareness for breast cancer, child abuse, domestic violence and anti-dowry, and with more than 1,500 women participated in that. Last year, a group of women, after they are all benefited by the information got by the community radio, started a hotel in the community. That's a very great achievement of our community radio. And this year, one group of women, those who got training out of cosmetology, going to start a beauty parlor in the community is again one more big achievement for the community where we are trying to portray the women entrepreneurship. Art and culture, like Chennai, we are in the heart of Chennai, and Chennai is very much influenced by Western music and Western culture. So the tradition of Chennai is almost the basic folk song, Ghana songs and Carnatic music. For 14 types of functions like wedding, for announcement, for various occasions, like a temple. So the Ghana and the instruments like Silambatam, Karahatam, Parayatam, Oyilatam, all this will be very famous of Tamil Nadu. It's almost a dying art. So we are again trying to revoke this kind of folk. See, actually it's very happy and it's very useful for all the community radio station because every community radio has its own unique point. So at one place I think for 3 days we can share our various ideas and problems, how the other radio stations are managing with their own crowd. I agree because each radio station is unique, so we cannot exchange the program because it will be in vernacular language. But we can get the ideas, new ideas which we can implement in our own community. And thanks for the community radio stations last year's Sammelan, because we raised like community radio stations should also be invited for the press conference wherever so it will be also very much useful for like a health camp or health meet or various how they are inviting other media. And we raised this point and immediately action was taken, and I think after that nearly for 4 to 5 press information bureau press meet we are all invited, and we participated, and we are also now very much happy to broadcast all the informations on behalf of the press information bureau to the community. So again we also on behalf of the community we want to put certain issues like which we are facing since we are in the urban place. like Chennai, and that too in heart of the city of the Chennai. It's highly thickly populated, So like due to the high rise buildings, like sometimes it's very difficult to cover the whole radius. So our request this time will be to do something to raise the level of the antenna, at least so like so 2 to 3 kilometers, which we can, if we can audible more, so for the cause of community, so more people will be benefited out of that. So that will be our request.